Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to play solo without bots in Ready or Not. Alright, just go ahead and press on escape on your keyboard. Now let's go ahead and go to our lobby right here, main menu. And what we're going to do in here is just select multiplayer. Alright, because if ever you select a single player right here, bots will be added in your game. Just go ahead and select multiplayer. Now in here just select host friends only. Alright, click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, you will be landed back to the headquarters. As you can see, we are back at the headquarters. Now let's just go ahead and pick a mission. For example, the elephant right here. And as you can see, or as you might have noticed, all of the missions right here are unlocked. All right, let's just go ahead and select one. I'm going to press on Y to get ready.
Light.
Alright, as you can see here in the loading screen, we can see 5 people, including you, with 4 bots. Let's wait for it. And there you have it. As you can see here, alright, as easy as that, you can now enjoy the game solo mode without bots. That's basically how we do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.